Are you intrigued by the world of machines and how they work? Imagine a career where you not only understand, but also maintain and repair these mechanical wonders. Welcome to the world of machine mechanics, a field brimming with opportunities and promising earning potential, both in India and abroad. To embark on this journey, you'll typically need a 10th grade education, followed by a diploma in machine mechanics or a related trade from an industrial training institute. Mastery in technical knowledge and repair skills is essential to thrive in this role. India's booming manufacturing and automobile sectors are constantly on the lookout for skilled machine mechanics. Companies like Tata Motors, Mahindra, and Hero MotoCorp offer numerous opportunities for those ready to step into this dynamic field. And if you're considering taking your skills abroad, the demand is even more significant in places like the Middle East, Canada, Germany, and Australia. These regions not only offer competitive salaries, but also excellent benefits. Speaking of earnings, in India, a machine mechanic can expect to earn between 15,000 to 30,000 per month. However, if you venture overseas, especially to developed countries, your monthly earnings could range from 40,000 to 80,000. So why wait? If you're passionate about machines and eager to explore this rewarding career path, start applying today. Platforms like Naukri, Indeed, and Apna are excellent places to begin your job search. Whether you're aiming for opportunities in India or setting your sights internationally, the world of machine mechanics awaits you with open arms and endless possibilities.